Hey everybody, Joe with Joe's Phenomenal here and welcome to another video. Today we're going to be using a Ninja Creami to make zero sugar chocolate gelato. So you ready? Let's get into this. Okay, for our ingredients we have a little bit of heavy cream, some whole milk, some monk fruit sweetener, egg yolks, and we have these Hershey's zero sugar dark chocolates. Okay, in a medium saucepan we're going to take our eggs and our monk fruit sweetener here, and we're going to whisk these together until they're combined and we've got that monk fruit sweetener dissolved as much as we can. Next we're going to add in our heavy cream and our milk and get those combined in here as well. Once you have all this combined, you're going to want to go ahead and put on medium heat here, stirring this constantly until this gets to be around 165 degrees, between 165 and 170 actually. And it's best if you actually use a digital thermometer for that. Now there's not really a ton of liquid in here, so that shouldn't take all that long to do. In the meantime, you're going to want to get these chocolate chunks here broken down into smaller pieces so they can melt a little bit easier. Just be sure you're still running over there to stir. When you're checking the temperature on this, make sure you're not touching the thermometer to the bottom of the pan. Otherwise, your reading's not going to come out properly. And be sure to keep stirring this, otherwise you're going to get stuff burning to the bottom of the pan. And we're almost there. Okay, once we reach 170, turn off the heat, and we're going to mix in our chocolate. Just a little bit at a time. Just want to mix it around. We want to get this fully melted. And you want to keep mixing this around until it's fully combined and you don't see any little chunks of chocolate floating around in here. And once you got this combined like this, it's time to get it into the creamy pint container. Okay, we're going to go ahead and fill our pint container, making sure that we don't fill above the max fill line here. So for this, we're actually going to use a fine strainer here. You're just going to want to pour that through there, and this will help smooth everything out for us as well. Just be sure that this mixture does not go above that line, just in case we put too much in here. Looks like we're going to be fine. All right, once we got it strained, throw on the lid, and then this is going to go in the freezer for 24 hours. After 24 hours, we should be ready to process this. At this point, all we got to do is open up the outer bowl, drop in our gelato, clasp this back on, lock that into the machine, and then all we should have to do from here is hit the gelato button. By the way, if this is your first time here and you want to learn some cool new recipes, get some great cooking tips and tricks, and all sorts of other kitchen related things, then start now by subscribing to the channel and clicking the notification bell so you never miss a thing. And once that process completes, we should be ready to serve. Okay. And that texture looks just about perfect. And there you have perfect sugarless chocolate gelato. That gelato came out fantastic. If you try this out, you're not going to believe there's no sugar in that. If you don't have a Ninja Creami, you can actually still do this recipe. All you got to do is take all the contents and pour them into Tupperware. And instead of freezing it for 24 hours, you just want to freeze it long enough to where it's pretty firm, but you can still spoon it out. That way you could transfer all the contents into a single serving cup for your blender. Blend it lightly and you should get pretty good results. If you'd like to check out this recipe, all the ingredients and measurements are down in the description area of the video, along with the calorie count, the fat, the carbohydrates, and the protein. If you'd like to learn a little bit more about Joe's Phenomenal, you can watch a couple more of our videos, or you can check us out online at joesphenomenal.com. I thank you so much for taking a little bit of time out of your busy day to watch this video. And once again, my name's Joe, and I hope you have a phenomenal day. Take it easy.